Hello everyone, today we will be talking about a topic that is crucial for a healthy lifestyle: healthy eating. Our overall health and well-being greatly depend on the food choices we make on a daily basis. In this script, we will delve into the key points of healthy eating, interesting facts about it, and provide insights on how to maintain a healthy diet. Let's start with the basics. What is healthy eating? Healthy eating refers to consuming a well-balanced diet that is rich in essential nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, protein, and fiber. It involves incorporating a variety of whole, unprocessed foods into our meals, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Now let's explore why healthy eating is so important. Firstly, a healthy diet can reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases, such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. This is because a well-balanced diet provides our bodies with the necessary nutrients to function properly, boost our immune system, and fight off harmful substances. Secondly, healthy eating can help maintain a healthy weight. By choosing nutritious whole foods over processed and high-calorie foods, we can avoid consuming excess calories that can lead to weight gain. A healthy weight is not just about aesthetics, but it also plays a huge role in preventing various health issues and promoting overall well-being. Now let's move on to some interesting facts about healthy eating that you may not know. Did you know that our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad? These bacteria play a crucial role in our overall health, and what we eat greatly affects their balance. A diet high in processed and sugary foods can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, leading to various health problems. Another interesting fact is that certain foods can help improve our mood and mental health. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon and flax seeds, have been linked to reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. And who doesn't want to be in a better mood while also promoting physical health? Now let's talk about how we can incorporate healthy eating into our daily lives. The first step is to focus on whole, unprocessed foods and limit our intake of processed and high-sugar foods. This means opting for fresh produce, lean proteins, and healthy fats instead of processed snacks, sugary drinks, and fried foods. It's also important to pay attention to portion sizes. Overeating, even of healthy foods, can lead to weight gain. So try to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and stop eating when you feel satisfied, not stuffed. And finally, don't forget to hydrate. Drinking enough water is crucial for maintaining overall health and promoting healthy digestion. Make sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and limit your intake of sugary and caffeinated beverages. In conclusion, healthy eating is not a diet, but a way of life. By incorporating a variety of whole, unprocessed foods into our meals, we can promote overall health, maintain a healthy weight, and improve our mood and mental well-being. So let's make a conscious effort to make healthier food choices and nourish our bodies from the inside out. Thank you for listening.